Hello, Consing Education allo hokologe swagotam janaisu. Welcome to Consing Education. Aji Gauhati University B.Ed first year or fourth paper or assignment making content analysis on given topic. Tar বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিব বিচাৰিছো। তাৰ স্টেপ বুলো কি থাকে প্ৰথমতে প্ৰথম থাকে ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশন। ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশনত আপোনালোকে লিখিব লাগিব কনসেপ্ট অফ কন্টেন্ট এনালাইসিস। Content analysis means classifying. মই পঢ়ি দিছো এনেকৈ লিখিব। Content analysis, the importance of content analysis can be summed up as follows. তিনটা point. The content analysis helps the teacher to form definite objectives to be achieved in the course. First you have to write the concept of content analysis. After that you choose a topic like here light, reflection and reflection. Here is the topic is reflection of light and topic to selection korar pasot he selection topic to analysis. This is content analysis. First second step subject general science class dibo lagibo aru topic dibo lagibo. Eta second step. Prothom step tot concept to dibo lagibo introduction. Next step of content analysis. Here pasot shows any 3 or 4 or 5 teaching points. Teaching point choose kobo lagibo. Choose korar pasot he teaching point against thought ki likhibo lagibo. Teaching points tinita column banabo lagibo. One is teacher's activity, next is expected learning outcome. Teaching point against thought teacher script likhar pasot learning outcome likhibo lagibo. Next step by step teaching point analysis, a teacher's activity, expected learning outcome ইয়াত দুটা দিয়া হৈছে। এটা হৈছে recall, এটা হৈছে recall আৰু আনটো হৈছে define. Teaching point. Next teaching point laws of reflection of light লৈছো। তাতে teacher's activity খিনি লিখা গৈছে। ভিডিও কৰি দিছো আপোনালোকে ভালকে চাই লব। Next expected learning outcome to চাব ভালকৈ। Yet teaching point. This is the second teaching point, laws of reflection of light. Here describe the laws of reflection of light and some questions have to be asked. Then the pupils will be able to rewrite the laws of reflection of light. That is the expected learning outcome. You have to achieve that. Next is third teaching point. Third teaching point from the topic reflection of light. This is the steps and the teaching points and the learning outcome. Expected learning outcome. Next প্ৰত্যেকটো টিচিং পইণ্টৰ এগেইনষ্টতে দুটা কৈ লাৰ্নিং আউটকাম দিয়া গৈছে। দুটা লাৰ্নিং আউটকাম টিচিং পইণ্ট ইয়াতে 4টা ডিসকাস কৰা হৈছে আৰু লাৰ্নিং আউটকাম 8টা দিয়া গৈছে। চাই লব একবাৰ ইনসিডেন্ট ৰে ওপৰ দিয়া গৈছে। Next teaching point is various image formation in concave and convex mirror. Concave আৰু concave mirror কেনেকৈ image formation কৰে তাৰ ওপৰত টিচিং পইণ্ট দিয়া গৈছে। This is learning outcome and people will be able to compare the images and they will also diagram the image formation of convex and concave mirror. After that at the summary, that is conclusion, here you should mention how many teaching points and how many learning outcomes. Here the topic is reflection of light. There are 4 teaching points and 8 expected learning outcome. It is summarized and you should write like that. The expected learning outcome are the knowledge, understanding, application and skills. The first teaching point is like that. You should write and mention here that expected learning outcome is knowledge, and this second
Learning outcome is understand.
And third,
Learning outcome is application.
and in fourth, see the summary. Last and the
Fourth learning outcome is skill.
end of the topic, the people will be able to recall, classify, describe, explain and analyze the topic. Reach the steps to write an assignment of fourth paper of B.Ed first year under Gauhati University. Thank you for watching.